This car hasn't seen the light of day since 1990, but we're about to change that right now. So what we have here is an AMC Rambler that was sitting in this barn and was last plated in 1990. And basically what the owner told us is when he parked it, the car was in pretty good condition and the top was in perfect condition. And over the years, a dog got into the barn and decided to have its way with it. And the first order of business to get this car out of the barn was to pump up the tires. And you guys would be surprised, a lot of people see flat tires that have been sitting for 30 plus years and don't believe that they can hold air, but they do just enough for us to be able to move the car where we need to. And all because of the sponsor of this video, which we'll talk about a little bit later, we were able to actually buy this car and we decided to give it away to you guys for free. Now, if you want to win it, all you have to do is like this video and be subscribed to the channel with your post notifications on, and leave a comment down below what you would do with the car if we were to give it to you. Would you be rebuilding it? Would you use it as a parts car? What would your plans be? And in that comment, leave your Instagram handle and where you're located so we're able to contact you if you win. Now, once we got back to the shop, we decided to start with the interior first because there was no roof to the car, and we figured it was probably not the best idea to get all the junk and mice nests inside of it wet before we actually started cleaning the inside. So we pulled the seat out and we revealed everything that was underneath, including a big hole in the floor pan. And then while we were vacuuming this front part of the car, we found a nice little unsuspected surprise.
Whoa! They say AM on them. Let's see if it fits the ignition. We're in business, baby. Man, that never happens. We're never that lucky. Let's see if we can open the trunk with them. Oh, wow.
What we got?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Dude, those are sick. And a full spare. Wow. Guys, the sponsor of today's video is AG1, and the best part about this sponsor is that I've been using AG1 for probably the last 2 or 3 years now. And now, not only do I use it here at the shop, Mike uses it, Brent uses it, Mike's mom uses it, his dad uses it. When it comes to working on such nasty cars and having such a physical job, I really need to maintain my health, and that's why I choose to use AG1, because AG1 is comprehensive and convenient daily nutrition with 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food source ingredients made just for about everybody. Something else that I really like about AG1 is they have the travel packs, which come in individual sizes. I don't have to bring the big can or the bottle. I can just bring these on my trips, throw it in any water bottle, shake it up, drink it, and now I'm fully supplemented. The cool thing is you get the full kit from AG1, which comes with this really nice container, this really nice bottle, which Mike loves. He actually stole my first one. This nice metal scooper. You pour the greens into the can, you leave it in the fridge because that's the best way to store it. Then you just go to the fridge, fill up your water bottle, you're good to go. So if you guys want to try AG1, go to athleticgreens.com/WD detailing, and you will get 1 year free supply of vitamin D3K2, as well as 5 free travel packs. I'm telling you guys, I use this every single day. Mike does. He has like 10 bags at home. We really appreciate what they provide for us. They make our lives easier, and we think you will too. So cheers AG1, and thank you for sponsoring this video. All right, that didn't go as planned. Oh, there's a big boy. Wow.
And this is everything that we vacuumed up and pulled out of the car. It completely filled a garbage can. And before actually washing the car, we wanted to see if we could put some power to it and get it to turn. Can you check the oil?
I don't know where the dipstick would be. Where's Marginal Mike when we need him? Where the hell's the oil on this stupid thing? Wow, look at that dipstick, dude. It's got oil. Doesn't look good, but... All right, screw it. Let's put power to it and see if it cranks.
We have a light.
One light?
Just one. You got one light back here, too.
Dude, I'm gonna mess with Mike so hard when you hear him and he's like, Mike, come try and start it. And then, dude, that's a good horn. I can't believe all these lights work though. That's pretty impressive. Absolutely nothing. So, starter's probably completely shot.
So that's about as far as we were able to take this car with the amount of time we had, especially because Mike was in Florida. But hopefully whoever we end up giving it to will want to at least get the car to start, because that would be cool to see, and it shouldn't take too much to get it there. Now for the rear tires, they have these weird grooves on them, but we haven't seen this on a car before. If you guys know why this would be on here, leave a comment. before laying down any soap, we're gonna vacuum out the engine bay, remove the battery, and clean it, making it a lot easier for whoever ends up fixing it up so they don't have to work in a dirty engine compartment. Now we moved this old top back because it was time to have a little fun. First, we had to take this old panel off of this door because it was completely disintegrating. But then we decided to clean the interior. There was no other option but to use the pressure washer. And it's always fun when we get to use pressure washers inside of a car. And we were completely shocked with the transformation the steering wheel made. We figured because the rest of the seats were pretty roached as well, we would try the same exact process with the pressure washer, and to our surprise, the outcome was not that bad. last two steps were to bring back the paint by polishing it, and then also polishing up the chrome with some steel wool and some chrome polish. But again, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like it. If you want to have a chance of getting this car for free, do what we said at the beginning of the video. And with all that being said, we'll see you guys next week.